What's up, FA athletes? Coach Michael here. I'm going to show you a killer way to work your pec and your oblique chain at the exact same time. This is a single arm movement, so it's very good for working out muscle imbalances. Let's get to it. We're going to need a cable or a band. We're going to position it just over our shoulder. We're going to come out. We're going to step forward with the opposite leg. Get into a nice staggered position. We're going to drop the other knee down to the floor. We're going to lift up our chest nice and straight back. And here we go. So we're going to control the negative and punch through. Going for 10 reps on each side. As I'm working this, I can feel my opposite flexor getting that work as well. 4, 5. You really want to punch out every rep. Control and punch. 6, 7, 8. Keep it up. Talk to myself here. 9, 10. Woo! I'm tapping like that. Give myself some extra motivation in the head. But when I'm talking to the camera, I think it comes out. Alright, we're going to hit the other side here. Same thing, we want to get to a nice, strong, staggered position. So we're going to bend the back knee, keep the chest up, hand on the hip, control, and drive. 1, 2, 3. Breathing very important here. Inhale, exhale. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You're going to want to pick a weight that's challenging. Don't go too heavy because we want to make sure we're maintaining that staggered stance. Make sure to take a break for about a minute in between sets. You're going to perform 3 sets. Try to incorporate this into your next upper body day for an extra challenge. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, leave us a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay strong.